Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Our minister regards himself as a servant of the people who can be kicked out in 2
That
days'
is the
time.
defect. The people are rascals and they have elected another rascal. That is the defect.
Well, but that's how it is.
So what can we do? Then hopeless.
Oh, you can work on the class.
We are going without depending on these rascals. We are going on. We are publishing our books, we are making our movement. We are honestly trying, that's all.
Yeah.
That we are doing. All over the world.
All it can do is allow you to convince the population differently.
Yes, we are doing.
And when you do that, then the social welfare department will serve
Differently,
you.
now suppose we instruct
What?
a man, please do not have illicit sex. Have you got any objection?
What?
If I advise
Yes.
somebody that do not have illicit sex,
Yeah.
have you got any objection?
Yeah, I have.
You have
Yeah.
illicit, if I say...
I like sex. My wife likes sex.
Huh?
We just enjoy it. I couldn't live without it. Our marriage is happier because we have sex.
This is the position.
That is our position. We are both driven.
How they have accepted.
But I don't know. I don't know. But I couldn't. Well, we thought our life was enjoying sex and our marriage is happier with sex.
No, we don't prohibit sex, but we
We
prohibit
don't have 2 children.
illicit sex.
Well, it's we use a pill, we use contraceptives, we use all kinds of things. Because it makes our life.
Why do you use contraceptive?
Because we don't want any more children.
Then why don't you stop sex?
Because we like sex.
Yes.
Because we enjoy it.
That means go to physician, I want to do everything I like, still I want treatment. This is the position. You want...
I didn't come for treatment.
No, I say... No, you are...
You asked me about my opinion.
you have come for treatment here.
I was invited
Because
to
you have failed to
Huh?
control the society, your activities. Therefore you have come here, treatment. But when I prescribe medicine, you don't accept.
I haven't come for treatment.
No, yes. Otherwise, why
I
you
was
come?
invited.
Just to help you in your social activities, social welfare activities, to take some suggestion from us. But when you give the suggestion, you reject it. That is your position. You have come here to take some suggestion so that you can make your activities very nice. But when we suggest, you reject it.
Right? So I'm 2 people, I'm myself.
Anyone.
And I'm a public servant.
That is the position. For treatment, we go to a physician, and the physician prescribes medicine, we reject it. So how he will be cured? That is the position. When the prescription is given, you want to put it in the boards of other patients. But the patient will know about the prescription. They are patients. There is no question of
If I would come here and want to join your movement, I would accept it.
No, you join or not join. You have come here to consult us if we can help your activities. But when we prescribe, you do not accept it. That is your position.
It has to get in there soon.
Give him Prasad. Just away. So, to actually to make the whole human society happy, this God consciousness movement must be taken.
Well, I certainly report back.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for saying it.
That's little wet.
We have some nice foodstuffs which we're just preparing.
He's bringing us something. Just a second.
It's part of the...
Yes.
Yeah, it is. It's a custom.
I'm sure part of that then we give prashadam to everyone.
It is our custom that if anyone comes, he should be offered a nice seat and give him some eatables. Yes.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,